Hi guys, this is specific video for all the MH Law CET 3 years aspirant, those who are seeking admission in Mumbai based law colleges, Palghar based law colleges and Thane based law colleges. So in this video we look at all the list of law colleges who take the MH Law CET 3 years score. So watch this video very carefully and share this to all your friends, those who are targeting law colleges in Mumbai, Palghar and Thane. So before I proceed, in case if you want to start your preparation, want to join for the classroom coaching. So if you are Mumbai based, Dadar, Borivali, Vasai and Thane, we have a classroom centers. But if you are not Mumbai based, then you can check out online live classes. This is what the complete teaching curriculum which you will be getting for your preparation. Okay. Alright, so let's talk about the Mumbai based law colleges. Very first is GLC, Government Law College, which is in Churchgate. This is the Asia's oldest law college. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the principal of this college. तो ये काफी famous college है. And everyone target for this college. उसके बाद है आपका जितेंद्र चौहान लॉ कॉलेज जो कि विले पार्ले में है, which is also known as JCCL. आफ्टर देन रिजवी लॉ कॉलेज जो कि आपका बैंड्रा में है. आडवाणी लॉ कॉलेज जो कि 3rd नंबर पे आता है मुंबई में लॉ के एडमिशन को लेकर के, बैंड्रा वेस्ट में है. नालंदा लॉ कॉलेज, बोरीवली वेस्ट. तो इतने लोग वेस्टर्न लाइन में हो, आप ये कॉलेजेस देख सकते हो. मुंबई वेस्टर्न लाइन. विवेकानंद एजुकेशन सोसाइटी ऑफ लॉ चेंबूर में है. मॉडर्न एजुकेशन सोसाइटी न्यू लॉ कॉलेज माहिम वेस्ट मुंबई. MKES लॉ कॉलेज मलाड. आफ्टर देन कमलाबेन गंभीर चंद शाह लॉ कॉलेज विच इज इन माटुंगा. पीपल्स एजुकेशन सोसाइटी डॉक्टर अंबेडकर लॉ कॉलेज विच इज इन वडाला and KC College, Churchgate. After then your Children Welfare Center Law College, Malad West and Lord's Law College, Goregaon West. तो ये सारे आपके मुंबई वेस्टर्न लाइन वाले कॉलेजेस है. जितने लोग मुंबई वेस्टर्न लाइन में हो, यू कैन चेक आउट दीज कॉलेजेस थ्रू योर CET score. And if you are in western line, want to prepare for the CET examination, so Dadar Center and Borivali Center, we have 2 center in western line. So for Borivali you can contact our team on this number, and for Dadar you can contact on this number. Okay, our counselor will help you with regards to the complete CET preparation, how to crack the examination, what are the colleges and the preparation part. Next is nothing but Thane based law colleges. So Sharda Education Society, Anand Vishwa Gurukul College of Law which is in Thane West itself. श्री LR तिवारी लॉ कॉलेज थाने, बट ये आपका मीरा रोड बैंदर से भी आप जा सकते हो इस कॉलेज में. नारी गुरसाहनी लॉ कॉलेज जो कि उल्लासनगर में है. सो थाने बेस अगर आप हो तो ये सारे कॉलेजेस देख सकते हो. बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर लॉ कॉलेज भिवंडी. विद्या प्रसारक मंडल TMC लॉ कॉलेज अगेन थाने बंदर रोड. ओरिएंटल लॉ कॉलेज सानपाड़ा West. After then MS Law College, Mohini Road, and Indrapal Baburao Chaugule Law College, Bhiwandi. And lastly, Angel School of Law, which is again in Thane itself. So if you are Thane based and seeking all these colleges through your CET score, then you can check it out all these colleges. Go to the official website of these colleges for more information. And if you are Thane based, so you can check out our Thane center for the classroom preparation for your CET 3 years. You can contact our team on this number. And lastly is nothing but Palghar based colleges. Vival College of Law which is in Virar, and Sonopant Dandekar Section Mandli Law College which is in Harekuram Road. So there are very less colleges in Palghar. So after Palghar you can check it out western based Mumbai law colleges. And if you are Palghar based, so you can check out our Vasai center for the classroom coaching. Okay, so that's all guys in this video. All the colleges I have discussed which are Mumbai, Thane and Palghar based. So जो भी कॉलेज में आपको एडमिशन लेना है, CET का स्कोर अगर आपका अच्छा आता है, so surely will be getting the admission in these colleges. The only gateway in these colleges is nothing but CET का score. So make sure you should prepare well for the examination because competition is high when it's come to the CET examination. Seats are less and competition is high. So accordingly prepare for the examination. All the very best. Thank you.